Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look today at Westlake Chemical. Now, hey man, credit given where credit is due. I got a notification today that IBD, I think it was on Swing Trader if I'm not sure, that IBD was starting a position on Westlake Chemical. And, I do my own trading research, though part of my research is looking to anybody who I think is any good. I mean, I'll take, none of this crap is patent pending. It's not intellectual property. It's just, let's go make us some money. And so I look at all kinds of stuff, and IBD is one of them. And so I wasn't really doing much today on anything trading related. But then when I saw this, I looked at the chart and this is what it looked like before today. Nice little squeeze here, a little bit around $90. I didn't have this on my watch list, but I looked at it immediately and I went, whoa, wait a minute. This is something here. Holding at the 50-day moving average and now a nice breakout. Wow, above 90. That'll work. What's the volume like? So you can see how this volume has been high here, relative to, where it was back here. So this has been a high volume move along here, in like plenty of demand, so far getting supply, and then boom, we get a gap out above 90, and then this thing kept going on the highest volume ever here, right? Well, I don't know about ever, but in quite a while. And so the stock actually gapped up and it kept going. And at some point hit 95. Now, I'm going to show you how I would look at a measured move here on this. First, let me just mention, I'm going to be gone for the rest of this week. I'm not doing any more videos. You're not going to get any more free chart videos. And then after I get back the following week, we're going to start a membership drive. Just giving you the heads up. We're going to start a membership drive. I'm going to be doing a couple of very intensive free to members, trading classes, webinars, free trading classes, only for members. If you're not a member, you're going to have to pay for it. And you're going, well, why the hell are you telling me this, Dan, when it's a couple weeks from now? That's like stupid marketing. Well, maybe, but here's why I'm telling you that is because I am going to be gone next week, or excuse me, I am going to be gone the rest of this week. What I want you to do is consider this. Email my brother, Gary at stockmarketmentor.com. Email my brother, and I'm not even telling him this. Email, and it's true, I'm not. Email him and say, hey, Dan mentioned in his video that if I signed up for a free trial now, you'll give me an extra week. Like you'll give me this week when he's off as kind of like a freebie on top of a freebie. And so what you'll get is 5 free weeks instead of 4. Okay. So anyway, I'm just kind of curious to see if I get a call from him saying like, dude, what did you say? All right, so take advantage of that. Now, with respect to this is how I would calculate a measured move on this to see, if I'm interested in buying this stock. So I would look at this box here from top to bottom, and I see a pullback of $17, like 18.8%. So we'll just say 20%. So I see a pullback of 20% here. And so then what I'll do is I'll take this box, I'll draw it all the way over here. Okay, so this is the breakout here. And then I just simply raise this up about 20%. Where's that going to get me? 110. So my trade on here would be buying this breakout like I did, again, just right off of IBD's signal. Buy this breakout, and then I'm looking to get 20 points off of it, buying it at 90 and then riding it up to about $110 here. It's not going to happen overnight. Probably wouldn't even happen this month, and you'll definitely see a few zigzags along the way. But I like the way this stock is trading. So anyway, that's the kind of stuff that I look at. And to be perfectly honest with you, I haven't seen a lot of great setups over the last few days. But this was a good one. And I think with this volume, I think if you're in here on this, you're going to wind up making more money. So, all right, that's it. See you guys in, in a week.